Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you my January favorites, and I'm super excited about this month's favorites because I just discovered so many products that I really love, and I've just been pumped to share them with you. A lot of the makeup products you've seen me use all month long in my videos, but I have a bunch of fashion favorites here that I'm totally obsessed with, that I've been loving lately, that I can't wait to show you guys, and I think that you'll really like. So if you want to see all the products that I've loved and discovered in January, then please keep watching. So we'll start with the makeup, and first off is the foundation that I'm wearing that you've heard me talk about all the time, and this is the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Cream, and this is their matte one. It's oil-free, has SPF 40 in it. This is great. I am an oily skin girl, and I tried their regular one multiple times, and I really liked the coverage and kind of the consistency of that foundation, but it just never worked on my oily skin. And I even repurchased it after I finished it because I just wanted to like it because everyone raves about it. But if you have oily skin, this one is definitely the way to go, obviously. It's less like greasy and heavy feeling. It just like really mattes down nicely on your skin, gives a great full coverage. I love anything that has additional SPF in it, so I feel like my skin is really protected, and I just love the like full coverage and very kind of like long lasting feel that I get from this. It also has like a very lightweight feeling, so it doesn't feel like I'm like caking on a bunch of makeup, but I'm still getting a really nice full coverage. So I've been wearing this every single day, and I also just like the packaging. It just is very satisfying. So I would definitely recommend this if you have oily skin. Next up is the lip combo that I'm wearing today, that I've been wearing in basically every single video for the last month, and this is the Lawless liquid lipstick in the shade Jake as the first product, and then this Tarte Rainforest of the Sea lipstick in the shade Salt Life. So these are basically exactly the same color, and then both of them combined is what's on my lips here. And the Lawless, I just love this brand. I love Annie Lawless, the founder. These products are just great. They're like non-toxic, healthy for you. They got that green at Sephora label on them, so you just know they're good for you. I like this formula of liquid lipstick. It's not too drying, but I do tend to get kind of that like line on the inside of my lips when I'm wearing it. So that's why I top it off with this Tarte one, and together it's a really nice like hydrating, long-lasting combo. So with the Tarte on top, that kind of eliminates that line in the middle and hydrates my lips just slightly so that I don't get like too dry and flaky throughout the day, and it kind of I can keep retouching with just this and get like a great look. So this is the lipstick, and I really love the packaging of this. It's like so beautiful. It like just looks like the ocean. It just looks like I want to go on vacation. So I've been loving this combo. Would definitely recommend both of these, and they're not super expensive either. Okay, last makeup product is this NYX Control Freak Eyebrow Gel, and this is absolutely wonderful. I've been looking for a good drugstore brow gel for a while, and I've been using the Essence Make Me Brow, which is a great tinted brow gel. It has a little tiny brush. It's a great dupe for like a Glossier boy brow or any kind of tinted brow gel. I love that product. I would definitely recommend it. But if you're looking for a clear brow gel that actually stays in place, I found that this one works the best for me. I've used the Anastasia one several times. I've used other just drugstore like clear mascaras and clear brow gels, and all of them are just like, they might be crunchy or they might be like really wet and not crunchy, but no matter what, my eyebrow like hairs always fall down. And this one I found works the best. It's still not like amazing and perfect, but it does work really well, and I don't feel like it has a super crunchy feel to it either. So that's a great bonus and super inexpensive, so I would definitely recommend this. I wouldn't waste your money on an expensive brow gel. I just find that they all kind of work the same. Okay, and moving on to fashion favorites, I have a bunch of stuff here that I'm obsessed with. So first of all is this necklace that is from Amazon, and it's like a J bamboo, made of bamboo, I guess, a bamboo J. And it's like kind of, I believe, a knockoff for a Celine necklace, I want to say. But this is beautiful. I've worn the, oh, there's a hair attached to the clasp, cute. But I've worn this in several videos. It's just such a great like statement piece, but it's not too crazy. I wear this to work, and I get lots of compliments on this necklace actually. I think it looks a little bit more expensive than it is. It's only $15 on Amazon. I'll try to link it below just because it's such a great find, and it's really weighty and nice. Like I was expecting it to be like super cheap when I got it in the mail. And I mean, it's not like a designer piece of jewelry, but for $14 the quality is excellent, and I think it's just such a great like nice statement piece that really kind of elevates when you're wearing just a sweater or just like a plain like t-shirt kind of outfit. I just love this. And this one's sort of fashiony, sort of hair related, but this is the Invisibobble Scrunchie. So it has the Invisibobble logo on it, and you can feel inside there that there is an Invisibobble like coil hair tie, and I just love these scrunchies. A lot of times I feel like scrunchies are never the right like circumference, like they're either too small and too tight or too big and too loose, so you have to like end up wrapping it around your hair a bunch of times and then it's either really tight or loose and falling out. But since this has the Invisibobble in it, you can get it like perfect, and I just love this. I think they're super cute. I have the pink one and the leopard print one. I love the leopard print one, and I want to get the black one because I just love these, and I think they're just so cute. They're like velvety. These are amazing. If you're into the scrunchy vibe at the moment, I would recommend these. And then I have two shoe favorites. The first one is my slippers, and these are the UGG slippers, which they came out a while ago and everyone was kind of like, ew, oh my god, who would wear these? And I think people wear these like outside in the world, and I totally would. Like, don't get me wrong. But these are kind of my house slippers. I needed some new slippers to wear around the house. And if I'm going to be wearing them for a long period of time, I do use this super cute like ankle strap, but I do just slide my foot in there without using the strap most of the time because it's faster. But beware, there is a platform, and if you're not strapped in, you can slip off the side quite easily because they're really fluffy, but they keep my feet really warm even though they're open toe. Like, they're super cozy, and they're just so stinking cute. Like, I'm sad I didn't have these sooner, and I want them in the black color as well. So I've been wearing those inside all month long, and then my outside shoes are these Cougar boots. So these are super beautiful. They're in this like nice mushroom color, and it's like a nice off-white leather, and they're like very suede feeling, but they're totally waterproof. Cougar is like a Canadian brand, so they have great traction on the bottom. It's like made for the snow. They're like slightly lined with like a little bit of black fleecy in there, but they're not too warm, but they do keep your feet warm if you're going to be somewhere cold. I'm bringing these this weekend up to the snow, so we'll be able to test them out in real snow. Here it's just been slightly rainy and mostly warm, so I've been wearing them every single day. They're cute enough to like wear with work outfits. The like slight heel and like just the nice leather look makes them a little classier than like just a rain welly or like a rain boot type vibe, and I think these are just amazing. You need them. They sell these at Nordstrom's, but I got mine straight from the Cougar website because they were having a sale a few weeks ago, and these are just incredible. Like, everyone that sees me in these at work like asks me where I got them and like wants to buy them. I would recommend them. I love these, and they're super comfortable. The heel, like, you don't even feel the heel at all. It's like slightly platform, so it's just super comfortable. I could walk in these forever. I'm obsessed with these. I literally wear them every day. The final thing I was wearing a few videos back, and I think I actually wore this in a couple videos, and this is a Target sweatshirt that has like these really cute stars on it. Obviously I'm into star sweatshirts. I'm wearing a different one today, but this one is just like so soft. It feels super luxurious. I pretty much, as soon as this gets washed, I try to wear it again. It's not dressy enough to wear to work, obviously, but it's just so soft and comfy, great for like the weekend or just hanging out. The only thing that I don't like about it is mine did kind of pill really quickly after I washed it, but I mean, it's very inexpensive from Target, so I wasn't expecting like amazing high quality, but this is just so cheap and so soft, and I think the stars make it super cute, and it's not too obnoxiously colored or anything to make it like unwearable. It's just like very classy, but still cute and fun. So that's it for my January favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all my fashion and beauty favorites from the last month. Please let me know what your favorites were down below, or if any of these products looked good to you and you're gonna try them out. I'd love to hear about what you guys are loving this month. As always, I'm uploading 2 days a week on Monday and Thursday, so please subscribe if you haven't already so that you don't miss my next video, and thank you so much for watching.